A warm good morning to you all. It's me Indramani Gemali, teacher for mathematics. So in the beginning of class, let me read out what is today's question. So here, two sides of a triangle are equal and umbrella is made by combining 10 triangular pieces. So in fact, there are two questions. In the first part, question says how much cloth is required for making umbrella. That means we need to find total area of umbrella. It is made by combining 10 triangular pieces. What is the type of triangle here? Two sides of a triangle are equal because the length of two sides are 50 cm and 50 centimeter. So if two sides of a triangle are equal, we say triangle is an isosceles triangle. So though there are two ways to find area of isosceles triangle, we can use direct formula of isosceles triangle or Heron's formula. But I am using here direct formula of isosceles triangle. Then first of all, we are going to find area of one isosceles triangle, and then we will find area of 10 isosceles triangle, because an umbrella is made by combining 10 triangular pieces of cloth. That is the first part. In the second part, if the cost of 1 square centimeter cloth is rupees 0.5, find the total cost of cloth required. So we can find the total cost after knowing area of this umbrella. So let's start this question now. What are the sides? Let me take one triangle among 10 triangular pieces. Triangle is an isosceles triangle. What are the measure of equal sides? 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. And what is the third side or remaining side of a triangle? It's 20 centimeter. There are total 10 triangular pieces. Each piece measure 50 cm, 50 cm and 20 centimeter. So 50 centimeter is length of equal side of this isosceles triangle, and 20 centimeter is third side, or we say this is base. First of all, we are calculating here the area of one piece of a triangle. Then we will find total area of 10 triangular pieces, and each piece is measuring 50 cm, 50 cm and 20 centimeter. This is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. So let me calculate area of a triangle first. Here we can suppose equal side of a triangle, we suppose A, and base side of a triangle is B. So let the equal side of a triangle A is 50 centimeter and base of a triangle is 20 centimeter. Base means the remaining side, or we say third side of this triangle. What is area? Area of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is, we have the direct formula for finding its area. Area of an isosceles triangle is b over 4 times 4a square minus b square. This is a formula to find area of an isosceles triangle. There is alternative way. We also can use Heron's formula, that is area is square root of s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. This is short, that's why I am using this formula. What is b? B is the base, 20 over 4 times 4 times a square. What is a? A is 50, 50 square minus b is 20, so b square is 20 square. We can cancel this. It's 5 times, let's simplify this, 4 times of what is 50 square, 2500 minus what is 20 square 400. Now we are simply solving this, we are simplifying this. 2500 times 4 is 10,000 minus 400. It gives me here, this is 96,000. 10,000 minus 400 is, okay, so I am just checking this. It gives me here 10,000 minus 400 is, what is, okay, 10,000 minus 400, this is 96,000. Okay, let me check the calculation here. What is 2500 times 4 is 10,000 minus 20 square is 400. So let's simplify this and we will get the result here. We will get the result here, 200 times root under 6 centimeter square. Okay, we can simplify this and get this result. After finding the area of one isosceles triangle, so how many triangles are there in an umbrella? There are total 10 triangular pieces. So this is area of one triangle. Now we need the area of total 10 triangular pieces. So to find the area of total 10 triangular pieces, simply we can multiply this result by 10 and we can obtain area of 10 triangular pieces. So let me erase this and write over here, what is the area of 10 triangular okay, isosceles pieces or 10 triangular pieces is, this is 10 times what is area of one triangle. What is area of one triangle? It's 200 times square root of 6. So let's multiply this. This is 2 followed by 3 zeros times 6 square centimeter. So if we multiply 2000 with square root of 6, we will obtain 4900 centimeter square. So this is the area of this umbrella, which is made by combining total 10 triangular pieces. Each measures 20 cm, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So that is an isosceles triangle. So after finding the area of 10 triangular pieces, now we got the area of this umbrella. Now what is the second part? Second part is, if the cost of 1 centimeter square cloth is rupees 0.5, find the total cost of cloth required. So if we know the area and rate of cost, we can simply find the total cost that is required for making such umbrella. So what is rate of cost? Cost of 1 centimeter square is given rupees 0.5. So what is the total cost? What is the total cost of this? So total cost required is area times rate. Total cost required is area times rate. So what is the area? 49 4900 multiply by rate is 0.5. So it gives rupees 2450. So this is the total cost required for making this umbrella. So let me repeat it again. Let me repeat this question again. So you can say the slide again. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth, each piece measuring 20 cm, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. First question here is, how much cloth is required for making umbrella? That means we are asked to find the total area covered by this umbrella. So first of all, we calculated area of one triangular piece. This is a special type of triangle called isosceles triangle. So what is the area to find isosceles triangle? B over 4 times 4a square minus b square. We have the value of a. A is length of equal side, and what is b? Base. B is the base, that is the remaining side of this triangle. So after calculating this area, this is area of one triangle. After calculating this area, this is area of one triangle, then we can find area of 10 triangular pieces by multiplying with 10. That gives us area of 10 isosceles triangular pieces. So this is the amount of cloth required for making this umbrella. Similarly, after finding the total area of cloth required, here is the second part. What is the total cost? Total cost is area times rate, because we can use here unitary method, because cost of 1 cm square is rupees 0.5. What is the cost of 4900 centimeter? Obviously it will be more than this 0.5. So we will multiply, or we multiplied here 4900 with 0.5 and we obtained the total cost. Let's check the calculation once again. This question is a bit lengthy. So this is the main concept here. First of all, we calculated area of one triangle, and to find area of 10 triangles, we calculated area of 10 triangles multiplying by 10. That gives us area of 10 triangular pieces, and that is the cloth required for making such umbrella. Then rate is given, it's 0.5 per centimeter square. So to find the total cost, we can multiply rate with the area. Now let me take next question here. This question is based on quadrilateral. This is based on quadrilateral. Under quadrilaterals, we are going to learn about question of parallelogram, rhombus. There are other types, kite, and so on. So first question I am taking here is, find the area of a parallelogram in which AB and DC are equal, and this is equal to 6 centimeter. AD and BC are equal to 4 centimeter, and diagonal AC is 8 centimeter. So let's draw a parallelogram, and then we will discuss how to find area of this parallelogram. Let me draw a figure here. So what are the features of a parallelogram? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So these two are opposite sides. These two are opposite sides which are equal. AB and DC are opposite sides of this parallelogram which are equal to each other and parallel. Similarly, BC and AD are the opposite sides which are equal and parallel, and one of the diagonal AC is also given. So what are the length of sides? AB is 6 centimeter, AB and DC are equal. What is length of BC? BC is 4 centimeter and AC is given 8 centimeter. Now we are asked to find area of this parallelogram. So we can see there are two triangles in our parallelogram ABCD. So what are the two triangles here? Lower triangle ABC and upper triangle is ACD. So in these two triangles, if we know the area of first triangle, lower triangle ABC, we can find area of this entire figure. So let me recall what is the one important feature of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, diagonal is AC, that is drawn in the figure. Diagonal bisects a parallelogram. That means AC divides parallelogram ABCD into equal to parts. AC divides ABCD into equal to parts. So after knowing area of triangle ABC, we can find out area of this whole figure. So let's find out area of triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, we can suppose A is, let's suppose A is 4 centimeter, B is 8 centimeter, and C is 6 centimeter. Now looking at these three different measurements, we can identify the type of triangle. Here A, B and C are different. So this is isosceles triangle. So here I am using Heron's formula to find its area. So in Heron's formula, there is a term S, and that is semi-perimeter. So let's find first of all what is semi-perimeter. S is semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C over 2. So this is, or S is, what is A? 4. B is 8 plus 6 divided by 2. Now we can find semi-perimeter of this triangle. So in fact, semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus it is 18 over 2 is 9 cm is semi-perimeter of this triangle ABC. Now after knowing semi-perimeter, now we can find area of triangle ABC is square root of S minus A, S minus B times S minus C. Now let's find its area by replacing the value of S, A, B and C. What is S? 9 times S minus A, so 9 minus, what is A? 4. S minus 9 minus, what is B? 8 times S 9 minus, what is C? 6. Let's calculate this and we will obtain the result. 9 multiply by, what is 9 minus 4 is 5 times 9 minus 1, so 9 minus 8 is 1 times 9 minus 6 is 3. Can we simply calculate this and find its area? So this gives area of one of the triangle ABC. Let's find the area of one of the triangle. It is 11.62 square centimeter. Okay, if the area of this lower triangle is 11.62 centimeter square, obviously according to the feature of a parallelogram, diagonal AC bisect or divides ABCD into equal to parts. So what will be the area of the upper triangle ACD? It's same. So therefore area of parallelogram ABCD is twice of triangle ABC, and it gives 2 times. What is area of triangle ABC? 11.62. 11.62. Let's calculate this and get the result. What is 2 times of 11.62? We can simply calculate the area and we can calculate this and get the result. 23.24 square centimeter. This is area of whole figure parallelogram ABCD. Now similarly, let me take next question here. Under quadrilateral, we are discussing now rhombus. You can read out question number 2 on the slide. A field is in the shape of a rhombus. The diagonals of the field are 20 meter and 12 meter. Find the area of this land. To solve this question, first of all, we should know what is rhombus, what are the features of rhombus, what is the relation between sides, diagonals. We should know about this. So we can see in the figure, there is a figure ABCD. In a rhombus, all 4 sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel to each other, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and the most important feature of this rhombus is 2 diagonals. We can see in the figure AC and BD, they bisect or they meet each other at 90 degree. That is the intersecting point I in the figure. It is denoted by I in the figure. 2 diagonals AC and BD, they intersect at 90 degree. So now let's solve this question. First of all, we need to draw a figure of a rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral. Let me draw a figure here. Rhombus is quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. Opposite sides, let me write this A, B, C, D. All sides of a rhombus are equal. All sides are equal. This is a quadrilateral having all 4 sides equal. Obviously, opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other, and 2 diagonals here AC and BD, they bisect or they meet at point O by making 90 degree angle. The angle between AC and BD is 90 degree. So diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So what are the measures of 2 diagonals AC and BD? Here the measure of AC, length of AC and BD are given. What is one diagonal? One is 20 meter and BD is 12 meter. Let me calculate area of this rhombus now. Area of rhombus ABCD, this is equal to, we can say there are many triangles in a figure. So I am taking 2 triangles ABD and BCD, because sum of these 2 triangles, sum of 2 triangles in a figure, one triangle, this is ABD, and other triangle, another triangle here is BCD. So sum of these 2 triangles gives total area of rhombus ABCD. So I am taking 2 triangles ABD and BCD. If we add these 2 triangles ABD and BCD, we can obtain the area of rhombus ABCD. This is area of triangle ABD plus triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD and triangle BCD is the total area of this rhombus. So this is equal to, now if we look at the first triangle ABD, let me take this triangle only here. This is diagonal BD. So I am taking one triangle here. This is point A. and what is the height of this triangle? This angle is 90, this is O. Yeah, we know. How do we find the area of this triangle? In terms of base BD and height AO. What is formula to find area? Area is 1/2 of base times height. So 1/2 of what is base BD and what is height of this triangle AO plus, similarly, area of second triangle BCD is 1/2 of, we can say here in the second triangle, 1/2 of what is base BD times what is the height CO or OC. We can take common 1/2, 1/2 is common. Again, BD is also common times AO plus OC. So this is 1/2 of BD times what is AO plus OC. AO plus OC is, AO and OC are the segments of line AC. So we can add AO and OC to get AC times AC. So this is equal to 1/2 times what is the length of BD? It's 12. What is AC? 20. We can calculate this and get the result of area of rhombus. So therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 of, I am rewriting this, 12 times 20. We can cancel this. 2, okay, 10 is 2 times of 10 is 20. So what is 12 multiplied by 10? 120 square meter. So this is area of rhombus. Here, this is the main concept. This is the main concept. How do we obtain the formula of rhombus? But if we can memorize this direct formula here, 1/2 times BD times AC. What are BD and AC? BD and AC are the diagonals. So in fact, area of rhombus is 1/2 or 1/2 times product of two diagonals. 1/2 times product of two diagonals gives area. This is only for concept. If we can memorize the formula, direct formula, we can use directly this 1/2 times BD times AC or 1/2 times D1 times D2. So this is about question number 2 I discussed here. This is rhombus. Now let me take some other questions. I am explaining some questions here, but I am not going to solve these questions. These questions are similar. Let's take these two questions as our practice work. Question number 3, A and B. Question number 3, A and B, these two are questions based on quadrilaterals. We can use related formula or any other concept to find its area. Thank you everyone for watching this live class and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.